Evening, everyone. Just let a few more guys jump in and I'll get going. All right, guys. Well, welcome to Soccer Break 46. It's the opening day of Obsidian. This is a random break, one box. So I'm going to go through the teams. Yeah, I'm going to go through the teams now, mate. Okay, so Alan Oliver, you've got Marseille and Galatasaray. Andrew, you've got Manchester City. C. Smith, you have got Italy. Carter Davis, you've got Barcelona, Ajax, Czech Republic. Dan Sullivan, you've got Spain. David Langley, you've got Club America. Dominic Thompson, you've got Arsenal. Jack Good, you've got Liverpool. Jack Murphy, you've got Southampton. Jean Paul, you've got Chile. Jeremy, you have got Newcastle. Jimmy, you've got Belgium and Crystal Palace. Jordan, you've got Dortmund. Kristaps, you've got Manchester United and Germany. Luke Sutton, you've got Olympiacos. Calvin, you've got Burnley and United States. Nathan Cassidy, you've got Paris Saint-Germain and Bayern Munich. Ryan Wilkinson, you've got Valencia, Colombia, Leicester and Brazil. Simon James, you've got Lazio, Portugal, Chelsea, Tottenham, Wolves, Sheffield United, Inter Milan. Simon Whitfield, you have got Porto. Steve Stone, you've got Argentina. Thomas Collier, you've got West Ham. Thomas Nash, you've got Real Madrid and West Brom. Zach, you've got Atletico Madrid and Benfica, Juventus and Everton. And Zach Barker, you have got Schalke. All right, guys. If anybody didn't hear the team, give me a shout. Right, so one box, 7 cards in total. In the box, we're looking for 4 autographs or memorabilia or relics. And we're also looking for 3 base parallels in there as well. The card's going to be numbered. What do I have? I missed it, sorry. Ryan Wilkinson, mate, you've got Valencia, Colombia, Leicester and Brazil. So it's 1 pack, empty box. Let's go. Going to do the base cards first and then do the autos and relics at the end. Empty pack. All right, guys, good luck. First up, it's going to go for Arsenal. It's a rookie, and that's going to go for Dominic Thompson, and that's Gabriel. And that's going to be numbered out of 195. 138 out of 195. Good start for Arsenal there. Next up, this is going to go for Brazil. And this is going to be for Ryan Wilkinson. And it's a Richarlison. And it looks like a purple. And the purples are numbered out of 75. And that's number 5 of 75. Great looking Brazil card there for you, bud. Next up we got our first relic. And that's going to go for Paris Saint-Germain. Let's see who's got PSG. That's for Nathan. And this is a Gregor Koronko. Again, it's purple. So the purple's numbered out of 75. That's number 3 of 75. And that's for Nathan. It's a single colour patch there for PSG. Next up, it's going to go for Juventus. This is for Zach. Manchester United legend, but this is for Juve. And that's a Patrice Evra. That's 149. Number 39 of 149. Good looking patch card there for Zach. Next up, we've got our patch auto. It's going to go for Portugal, which is Simon James, the birthday boy. That's an Adrian Silva. That's the Matrix. Nice double patch auto there, mate. And that's number 149 of 149. 1 of 1. eBay 1 of 1, mate. That Matrix is a great looking card. Oh, as people have been telling me, that's a beauty. Let's take our base. And for Brazil, this is going to go for Ryan Wilkinson again. Double Brazil pack. That's a Danilo. Pitch black. And these are numbered at 99. That's 59 of 99. Nice double Brazil hit there for you, mate. And then our last one, our auto. Blank spacer. Let's go. Aurora. Another Brazil. Triple Brazil threat. I know you came into the party late there, mate, but fair to say you had a decent break there, Ryan. And again, that's a purple. That's number 37 of 75. Brazil legend. Barcelona legend. Great looking auto as well, mate. That is a lovely card. Definitely the highlight of the break there. Well done, mate. Rivaldo was a baller, mate. In a generation of ballers. So a quick recap for the Brazil break. So first up we had Gabriel for Arsenal, and that was numbered out of only 195. Then we got the pitch black Danilo for Brazil. We've got the Richardson purple for Brazil. Then we've got the lovely Matrix auto dual patch, and that's for Simon James for Portugal. Then we got our Gregors Kravonsky, and that's going to go for Paris Saint-Germain. For Zach, we've got our Obsidian Juventus patch. And then finally, pick of the bunch, Rivaldo, number 37 out of 75. Great looking auto, the Aurora. All right, guys, only a short break. It goes so fast with 7 cards. Thanks, everybody, for watching. We're going to be coming back on Sunday with some more. We're going to have a pick your team. We're going to do some more random breaks. We've got plenty more Obsidian to go. And we've also got some more Prism as well, guys. So listen, have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you all Sunday. Thanks for watching.